Let me smoke one for Jenny. Huh? Jenny, Lord. In and out the building, she just copped 2 dubs. Now she moving up the streets like she don't do no drugs.
Look at her.
You know I'm charged like I got 2 plugs. My phone litty, I don't do no clubs. Raw, no fentanyl, pure dope on the scale. Catch me and I'm doing tours in all of the illest jails. Used to bring Jenny, but she act like a fiend. Son served her with the cream, then she crashed in the beans. Walk around twisted, she be asking for things. Get a dope in the coat from Manhattan to Queens. Took the way off her body, now it's snatching the dreams. You know the flow so dirty, but the package is clean. Buying up the bombs, Jenny tying up her arms. Along the rooftop, she be crying for her moms. Copping on some new shit, rocked her like a cruise ship. The D's came and found the half-naked lord with blue lips. Damn. On the logo, Jenny was cool. She started popping hands before finishing school. She should have read through the signs before she stepped in the streets. Instead of the bed, now she resting in peace.
They smuggle me in the US, conceal the rubber gloves, break me down in fingers to show the dealer some love. 6 grams for them, another 10 for him. Leave me raw, don't hit me, guarantee you gon' win. Have them leaning so hard, you think they sucking they own dick. Get knocked, no telling, homie, live by the code, kid. I'm usually running around with killers, lugging that chrome shit, or being cut up in the blender, going your nose quick. Fiends load me up like a pistol and shoot me. Seen Jenny ran away, she just copped her 2-piece. Straight to the veins, more bang for your buck. Every time you shoot me up, you be trying your luck. Heard the broad just dropped and build a 4 on the rooftop. Block hot, now we on to the next spot. Long as I'm around, I'ma keep the block poppin'. Don't mix me with the fentanyl, them bodies start dropping.
On the logo, Jenny was cool. She started popping hands before finishing school. She should have read through the signs before she stepped in the streets. Instead of the bed, now she resting in peace. Damn.
Drugs are menacing our society. They're threatening our values and undercutting our institutions. They're killing our children.